Hello, I'm Seath and I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the webinar Wednesday session where we'll be talking about how to facilitate engaging meetings and workshops using an online whiteboard. I guess many of us were really familiar with communication tools such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams prior to the lockdowns, but we probably only used these really just for routine meetings. With lockdown came the challenge of how to design and run workshops that were going to be collaborative, engaging, and similarly for designing and running training sessions. I explored various options and I ended up using a tool called Miro. And in this session, I'm going to explain why and how you can use Miro and share some of my tips from a design and facilitation perspective. So during the session, you can look forward to some of the following content. We'll talk a little bit about the challenges of designing and running collaborative online sessions, how they're different from the face-to-face world, Miro and other tools and how it can help you address some of those challenges. We'll look at how to integrate the use of an online whiteboard with Zoom or Teams or other video conferencing tools. I'll talk specifically about design principles for online sessions and how you can put together templates and workshop designs. And I'll share with you some of my facilitation tips that I've picked up over the last 18 months or so that you can run workshops that are going to be really engaging and effective. I look forward to seeing you at the webinar.